The table fan is an energy-efficient cooling device which gives air condition and cool down temperature. Working of a table fan. The table fan uses a single-phase motor as a cardinal part. The starting torque, or what you call the fan's initial rotation, is facilitated by a capacitor. The capacitor is basically like a powerhouse that helps in starting and running the motor of the fan. When the power flows through the motor of the fan, a magnetic field is created. This enables the motor to run and the fan blades to rotate.
Thanks for watching.